Welcome back, Filmaholics. My name is Kyle Carrick, and in this channel you find anything and everything filmmaking. So if you guys want more of that, consider subscribing because I upload weekly. So hit that bell, hit subscribe, and hit like on this video. But let's get on with the rest of the actual video. In today's video, what we're gonna be talking about is how to add motive into your own video. So the first thing I really want to talk about is what is motive and why do you need it in your video? So what does motive have anything to do with your videos? No matter what type of content you create, no matter what, as long as you are making a video, you are actually just telling a story. And to tell any good story, no matter how simple, no matter how complex, it needs to connect with your audience. And that's why I'm making this video. Next part is pre-production. Now what is that? That is planning. That is everything that you do for your video before you make the video. So where does motive start? It starts in planning. And I know the way that I've been mentioning this sounds like it's gonna be a super complicated explanation, but it's really not. The thing is, no matter how simple or complicated your videos are, it doesn't really matter. Honestly, sometimes when it's more simple and less complicated, it's honestly better. It's more down to earth. This will create a connection between you and the people that you are giving this video to. The reason you're making videos is not only just to help yourself, it's to help other people. So this connection will create an awesome community. So when planning a video, really think about the message that you're trying to give to your audience. Something that you yourself want to see from a content creator. That way you know you are proud of it. What motive would affect you? Now for production, the actual creation of your video. From vlogs to unboxings to comic books explanations to random film theories or other stuff like that, all of these contents, everything that you can create on video needs a story, needs a motive to tell the story. And the more you film, the easier it gets for you to film later on. See, even though you're not gonna be using all those shots, you'll know what to shoot in moments that you don't know when or what to shoot. You'll understand those things so much more. You'll understand what footage you need. You'll understand your process and you'll create your process. So with this practice comes confidence. So whether you use a face cam like me or you're just using your voice in your content, no matter what, the confidence you gain and will give off will project towards your audience. To really hone this in, the best person I could really suggest is Casey Neistat. In fact, we're about to analyze one of his videos right now. So the video we're gonna be analyzing is gonna be called Follow Your Dreams, if you guys want to look into it. He starts off his vlog the way that he usually does, where there's a time lapse or something like that of the Manhattan skyline. And the thing is, that's normal usually for his videos, but the reason why it's poetic in this one is because this is the city of dreams. Then it's just a cut to him sitting down, and the thing is, usually he's doing something around the city. No, this one he wants to get down into business. So to convey that message, he just sits down in his studio and looks straight in the camera. He also then inserts a couple clips from either shows or movies that are really inspirational to nail in the point of following your dreams. And usually most of his videos are very lighthearted, but in this one, he really wants to get to the point of the cold and yet fulfilling truth of following your dreams, like I've been mentioning. So if you really want to get into knowing what he thinks about that, I'm gonna let you guys watch the actual video from him instead of just putting it in here. I just mainly wanted to show you how he's showing his motive and his story in this video. He then ends the video asking the question, are you happy? And telling you that your happiness is important. So take that with what you will, but this is a short and simple and amazingly perfect story from a amazing content creator. And yes, he has a bunch of experience. So he knows how to tell a story like this. He knows how to make videos and make vlogs. He did it for like what, 5 years straight and just no days off. Oh my god, inspirational. So the person that you can really look into about consistently filming, about telling a consistent story throughout each of his videos, then look into him. And finally, post-production. This is what comes after. It's basically the last bit of packaging. It's a bow on top of the present. And to cut to the chase, because this is the tip that really makes sense, is to cut out the bulk. And by this this, I mean all the stuff that really doesn't tell the story or do anything. Yes, it might be the coolest shot that you've ever done. Yes, it might be the dopest thing that any of your friends will ever see. But the thing is, it's not telling the story. Or if it is, then keep it in. But if it isn't, if it really has nothing to do with the runtime of your story, then why keep it in there? Just cut it out, put it in a separate video, show it off at some point. The thing is, you're still gonna have that footage. You're still gonna be able to put that video into something else. The next thing is to really learn how to color grade. And the reason for this is colors have a really big thing in our psychological aspect. Like so many things. The reason why we love orange and teal together is because of the sunset. So learning how to color grade and learning how to create your motives with the lighting that you choose. For example, I like the blue and the purple look. The reason why is it feels it's like ethereal. It feels something outer worldly. It feels kind of Blade Runner-y, and I really enjoy that look, and that's kind of the thing I want to give off eventually. I'm gonna keep on upgrading this look just to keep that maintained there. It's part of my personal story. And the last thing, especially if you're doing like unboxings or vlogs and whatnot, is to really learn how to use sound. For example, in one of my past videos, there was a waterfall vlog basically. It was one of the days I went into Oregon, and it didn't have a lot of naturey sounds in the background. It only had the of the waterfall. So I took all that sound off, found my own water sounds online, and then I found some bird noises, some nature sounds, and I added them all together to make a different, more like immersive sound. So it really immerses people into your videos. So if you're doing an unboxing, really get the cardboard sound on your desk. Honestly, even that simple sound really does a lot to the audience. And like I said, this just neatens it up in a tiny little bow, and now you can upload it. So if you guys did listen to this video, go ahead and comment down your video or comment down what you guys liked from this, just because I really want to know if this helped you guys out or what you guys have to say in the whole creating a story and a narrative inside of your own videos. I would love to learn from you guys as much as you guys could learn from me, so go ahead and comment them down below. Also, if you guys want to check out all the gear I use to make this video and all my past videos, go ahead and check the description down below as well. There are gonna be links there. There are gonna be no extra cost to you guys, but it will help out the channel, so help us out over there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and dream on.